Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Frigidaire Gallery ice maker say add water, reservoir the clean and pump prime. Fix 1. Clean the water level sensor. Unplug the unit and remove the ice basket. Locate the small metallic pins or a plastic throat switch in a bottom water basin. Gently scrub the prongs with a Q-tip or a soft toothbrush dipped in a plain white vinegar. Wipe clean with a paper towel. Allow the area to dry before refilling the reservoir. Switch to clear air bubbles from the line. Unplug the machine, remove the water reservoir, tilt the entire unit at a 45-degree angle. Hold the unit at this angle for 10 to 15 seconds. Allow the trapped air bubbles to escape the intake line. Fix 3. Run a deep descaling cycle. Fill the reservoir with a 50% water and 50% white vinegar solution up to the fill line. Activate the clean mode by pressing and holding the clean button for 5 seconds until the light flashes. Allow the cleaning cycle to run for approximately 15 minutes. Drain the vinegar solution through the back drain tubes. Run a second cycle with the fresh water to rinse out any residual vinegar before making ice. Fix 4. Check the water filter and line. Replace the old or clogged water filter located in a front right corner of the fridge. Pull the fridge out to access the water supply line. Check that the water supply pipe is not kinked, frozen or loose. Thanks for watching.